Good morning, Fly Babies. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Monday, and we have our 3-layer cake. The first layer is our routines. That would include our morning routine, which we're about to do right now, our paper routine and our laundry routine. Those all happen first thing in the morning. If you're an at-home fly baby, if you're a payroll fly baby, you might be able to start your laundry this morning, but if not, you're going to start it when you get home along with your paper routine. Then we have our after dinner routine, which we all do together, and our before bed routine. The second layer of our cake today is our weekly home blessing hour. So we'll talk about the payroll about that in just a minute. Our third is our zone. We are in zone 5, the living room. So starting with the payroll fly babies, after you've gotten up and done your morning routine, put your children through their routine, done whatever other routines you need to do in your home, like animal care, then you're going to go to work. Once you're at work, you're going to greet your coworkers, friends, and/or employees, get your coffee or your tea and your water and go to your pretty clean desk, open up your control journal, and begin your day. On your lunch and your break, you can think about what's happening this week, plan it out, and delegate things if you have someone to delegate to. Don't hesitate to delegate. You're the CEO of your home. You can do this. You're a lion. You're strong, right? But you fight for your family, and you're teaching your family how to take care of themselves. All right, so the next thing we're talking about today is delegating the basic weekly home blessing hour. That is 6 10-minute things that we do. So either you can delegate that, call on the phone and say, hey, don't forget you're vacuuming upstairs today, or whatever it is. And then when you get home, if you haven't delegated or have no one to delegate to, then you can start your laundry, do your paper, your inch of paper, and then start your supper. And then while supper is cooking, or if there's time before you start supper, you can do up to 25 minutes in your home. 15 minutes would be your zone, which is your living room. So you can declutter in there. If there's no clutter, you can do one deep clean item in there. It usually won't take 15 minutes. And the other is your 10 minutes of your basic weekly home blessing hour. So the first thing, strip the bed, put on fresh sheets. Easy. All right. If you're an at-home fly baby, then after you get rid of your morning routine, after you've done your morning routine, your kids have been put through theirs, everybody's off to school or at home as ever, homeschooling if you need to, you're going to go to your 6 things. So the first thing, or you can delegate and you can all share if you're homeschooling, but the first thing is strip the beds, and that's your bed, and the kids can strip their beds, put those sheets in the wash. That's your laundry for the morning. Listen for it, put it in the dryer, listen for it, go put it back on the bed or beds. And the kids can put most of theirs on if they're pretty big. If they're 9 years old, they can make their whole bed. They might need a little help, but maybe tucking in the fitted sheet or something. But they can mainly do that. Okay, then you're going to dust, you're going to vacuum, you're going to mop, you're going to empty the little garbage cans, and you're going to wipe the spots off the glass. It's a super easy day, so get it done quickly. 10 minutes per item. Go as fast as you can. Stop when you're done. Only clean the middles. Only wipe the spots. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is our zone. So the zone is the living room. So you're going to go into the living room and you're going to declutter for 15 minutes. If there's clutter in there, hopefully you've been with me for a while. Your clutter is gone. You're maintaining clutter control. You're inspecting what you expect. So the kids aren't leaving clutter everywhere. You're not leaving clutter everywhere. And you are able to deep clean something. So pick something to deep clean that needs deep cleaning. Look around. Do you need to vacuum under the couch today? Do you need to clean out some drawers today? Do you need to polish the furniture with actual furniture polish today? Do you need to really vacuum up in the corners today? Do you need to wipe the baseboards, clean the fan, clean the window, really clean it, clean the blinds? Not all of those things. One thing. Just pick one thing. If you don't feel good, just wipe out the windowsill. You're done. Okay, next thing is enjoy the rest of your day. And then when you get to dinner tonight, after dinner, we're all going to join together. All of our family is going to help with the after dinner routine. And then you're going to do your before bed routine if you're tired before the kids. If you're not tired, put the kids through their before bed routine first, and then you do your before bed routine. This is such a simple plan. I want you to make sure that you look at your planner every day, especially at night, to see what the next day has to hold. If you haven't done it on Sunday, please take the time now to fill out your planner for this week. What are you having for meals on each day? What jobs are you doing in the house each day? If you're deep cleaning in the living room, you have until the 28th to work in your living room. On the 1st, remember, that starts zone 1, the entryway. If you have stairs and they come into the entryway or near the entryway, that's a great time to do your stairs. But we're not doing that yet. I just want you to plan it out in your planner. What thing do you do every day? What's your basic weekly plan? Tuesday is your free day. Wednesday is your planning and desk day. Thursday is your errand day, including groceries. Friday is your car and purse day. Saturday is family fun day. Sunday is renew your spirit day. Get those things in there. Plan that out. When's the doctor appointment? When do you have to meet with the teacher? Put all of those things in there so you can review at night, the night before. When is your child's project due? And then you can make sure the things are ready for the next morning. People are dressed properly for what they have to do. Okay, I hope this is helpful. Have a wonderful Monday, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.